Very good morning, dear guys. In our last one class, we have already begun the grammar topic determiners. Okay, and in our last one class, we have seen what is determiner and its types. Okay, so I hope you got the definition of determiner. Okay, but I would like to repeat it. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun to show how that noun is used. Yes, actually it determines or fixes the following noun. Okay, as I told you, or as we have seen some examples. Yes, a pen is mightier than the sword. So look at there, a pen here with the use of a. Yes, with the use of a, the determiner, it determines or fixes that pen noun. Okay, is mightier than the sword, again noun, before it the is there. Okay, so here we can say that the determiner, or again another example we have seen, the person has 5 cars, the person has 7 cars. So here 5 or 7, these words could be called, or these words are called determiners. Why? Because in this sentence the words like 5 or 7, they fixes the number of the following noun cars. Yes, the car is there, the noun, and here the number of car is determined or fixed by the word either 5 or 7. So here, as we have seen in the definition, determiners fixes or determines or determine the following noun. Okay, that means here we can say that it shows, the determiner shows how the noun is used. Okay, so this part we have already done in our last one class. Today we are going to see the uses, and again its type also we have seen. Yes, the articles, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, then quantitative determiners and numerals. Okay, there are these 5 types of determiners that we have already done in our last one class. Okay, today let's see the uses of, uses of some common determiners. Okay, some common determiners. Okay, today we are going to see the uses of some common determiners, okay, which are mostly used, okay, in writings or in speaking everywhere. Okay, so let's see. First of all we are going to see the uses of a and an. Okay, first of all we are going to see the uses of a and an. Okay, a and an. So to write this subheading, okay, a and an, the uses of a and an. Okay, so here first of all you have to understand these two, again a and an and the, these are called articles. Okay, so first of all we are going to see the uses of articles a and the, and in that again we are going to see the uses of a and an. Okay, so first of all understand a and an both can be used or both are used. Okay, first use before a singular noun. Okay, the most important thing about it is before a singular, but it is better to say countable singular noun. Okay, instead of singular noun it must be say countable, countable singular noun. Before a countable singular noun. Okay, countable. Why have I mentioned there countable? Because a or an cannot be used, can never be used before an uncountable noun. Before an uncountable noun. Okay, uncountable noun के सामने a और an का use नहीं होता है. Okay, so that's why we have mentioned there the word countable. Second thing is singular. Singular. Before a singular noun, a or an cannot be used. A or an cannot be used before a plural noun. Plural. Before a plural noun, it cannot be used. Okay. So the first thing you must know about a or an is these determiners are used before a countable singular noun. Okay, let's see examples. Let's see examples. Okay, the best one, as you know, an apple a day. An apple a day. Yes, keeps the doctor away. Keeps the doctor away. Okay, so here apple, countable singular noun. Day, countable singular noun. So before a countable singular noun, we can use a or an. A or an. Or look at there again another example. An elephant. An elephant is a huge animal. A huge animal. Look at that. An elephant. Elephant. Okay, an elephant is a huge animal. Means before here elephant we can count. Again animal we can count. Countable singular noun. Okay, so before a countable singular noun we can use a or an. Okay, but dear guys, have you noticed there the use or the difference between the use of a and an? Yes, both can be used before a singular countable noun or countable singular noun, but there is again a difference between the use of a and an. The use of a and an. First of all, do understand this, and now we are going to see the difference between the use of a and an. Okay, so do write fast this one. Now we are going to see the use or difference between both. Okay, so the difference between both is what? Okay, difference is a is used before or the word or the noun. It is better to say noun. Okay, it is as we are dealing with noun. Okay, so here a is used before a noun begins with a consonant sound. Okay, before a word begins with consonant sound. Okay, consonant sound. Look at the very important thing it is. Okay, consonant sound. And same here, and before a word begins with vowel sound. Okay, begins with vowel sound. Look at that, the difference. A and means here a and an. A before the word having consonant sound, and here and before the word having vowel sound. Okay, the beginning sound is vowel sound. Okay, so this is the difference between the use of a and an. As there we have seen an apple a day. Okay, let's repeat that example. Okay, let's understand. An apple a day. Okay, so look at here, just we are going to take this one only. Okay, so here an apple, here is an and here is a. Why? Because this word, this noun begins with consonants, sorry, vowel sound, begins with a vowel sound, vowel. As we know that there are 20 vowel sounds, and if any word, any noun, okay, thinking about determiner, okay, talking about determiner, if any noun begins with any one among these 20 vowel sounds, and should be used there. Okay, and should be used there. So here you have to pronounce this word. Okay, apple, 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 a sound. What sound is there? A sound is there, and if there is it is vowel sound. Definitely it is vowel sound, and that's why we have to use there an before vowel sound. Same, look at there what is given in this next one word, day. When we pronounce, the first one sound is and as we are very well known that is a consonant sound. Is a consonant sound, and as it is consonant sound, is there. Yes, so that is the difference between the use of and an. If a word having a consonant sound at the beginning will carry a article. If the word having a vowel sound at the beginning will carry an article. So this is what I want to tell you, the difference between a and an, but the use is same. Okay, before a countable singular noun, but that singular noun, that countable singular noun means you have to think about its beginning sound, then use either a or an. While using determiner, think about the beginning sound of that countable singular noun, whether it is consonant or plural, and on the basis of that you have to use either a or an. Got it? Or let's see another example. Okay, let's see another example. Do write fast. Okay, if it is done, let's begin another example. Okay, so as I told you there, an elephant. Okay, so here an elephant, a tiger, an elephant. Again, look at them, pronounce it. Elephant. Yes, again elephant or elephant. If you say elephant, again a sound is there. Yes, so a, as we know, elephant, it is vowel, it is elephant. Yes, elephant, it is vowel, and as it is vowel, and is there. Tiger, tiger, ta sound is there. Yes, t. So the beginning sound is t. As we know, it is consonant. T, it is consonant. So as it is consonant, there is a. Okay, a is there. So just try to understand it and get the difference between the use of a and. Sorry, a and an. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now let's see the another one use. The another one use of a or an. Another one use of a or an. Okay. So what is it? The second one use. Second one use of a or an. Okay. Second one use of a or an. So it is a or an is used before. Okay. Before the name. Before the name of something or someone. Something or someone used for the first time, used for the first time in the story or in the writing. Okay, in the writing. Means here the important thing is before the name, जो भी name हो, whatever, maybe it is of something or someone, it doesn't matter. But the important thing is if it is used for the first time, for the first time. And dear guys, I would like to tell you that this matters a lot. This matters a lot. This use matters a lot in story writing, paragraph writing, yes, descriptive paragraph writing, story writing, yes, analytical paragraph writing, yes, letter writing. Means in the writing skill, this use, the second one use of a or an matters a lot. So keep in your mind that whenever you are introducing something or someone while developing a story or writing a paragraph, if you are introducing something or someone first time, for the first time, you must use a or an according to its beginning sound, okay. And when that same word is used second time or more than that, means twice, thrice, or whatever, okay, so that time we use the, okay, and that use we will see while dealing with the use of the, okay. But for the first time, if you are using that word, that noun, first time, so in that case you have to use a or an according to the beginning sound of that noun or according to the beginning sound of that name. Got it? Look at the example. A story is there. I made man was my best friend or was my brother, okay, was my brother. Just take it for understanding. Look at them here. I made blank man, okay. So here this noun man, okay, name of someone, man. Here we have introduced this word, first time, for the first time. So there we have to use a, man, okay. And then in the same extract, in the same writing, in the same story, while you are talking about the same man second time, second time or more, so on, okay, or more than this time, okay, इससे ज़्यादा भी बार अगर यूज कर रहे हो, same man or same that thing or someone is you are referring, so there then second time or then more we have to use the article. The man was my brother. The man was my brother. So here the thing we have learnt here is when the name of something or someone referred first time or used for the first time, a or an is used according to its beginning sound. Got it? Understood? And it is really very important rule, and you should understand this very well. Why? Because we use this rule, or this rule is used a lot in writing skills. It is very important, okay, in developing stories, writing paragraphs, writing analytical paragraphs, and so on. Okay, many things are there we have to do. So do understand and do write in your copy. Then we will see the second one use of a or an. Okay, let's see what is the next one use. The next one use of a or an. Next one use is before the word. Okay, before the word when it means one. Okay, third one. Okay, before a word when it means one. Okay, means when we are talking about one, that time we have to use one. अब कैसे? मीन्स जब कोई वन की बात हो रही है, एक की बात हो रही है, so that time we can use a or an. But mostly, guys, I would like to tell you that in this case mostly a is used. अ का ही ज़्यादातर यूज होता है, एन का बहुत कम यूज है इन दिस केस. ओके, बिफोर अ वर्ड व्हेन इट मीन्स वन. ओके, मतलब यहाँ हम बोल सकते हैं कि अ रिप्लेसेस वन. अ रिप्लेसेस, सिंपली यहाँ अगर तुम कहना चाहो तो बोल सकते हो कि अ रिप्लेसेस वन. अ रिप्लेसेस वन. It will be better to say. Okay, a replaces one. For example, look at there. Example, I have 1,000 rupees. Okay, so look at there. Here we could say here one. Okay, I have 1,000 rupees. I have 1,000 rupees. So in place of one, you can use there I have 1,000 rupees, or rupee we can say then. Okay, I have 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. So here we can understand that a replaces one. Okay, then let's see another example is I bought dozen eggs. Okay, I bought dozen eggs. So look at here again. Here we can say that one. I bought 1 dozen eggs. I bought 1 dozen eggs. So in place of one, you can use a. I bought a dozen eggs. A dozen eggs. So this is what I want to tell you. A replaces one. A replaces one. As we have seen in the previous example, I met a man, one man. वन, एक व्यक्ति को मिला. उस वन, वो जो वर्ड है, that is replaced there with the article a. Yes, so this is what I want to tell you. A or an replaces one. A or an replaces one. Okay, got it? I hope you have understood this one use also. Okay, the next uses we will see in our next video lecture. Okay, do write in your copy and do understand the uses of a or an. Okay, so dear guys, keep watching my videos and enjoy the classes. If you are having any query, just do write in the comment section. Okay, so that you could be answered. So bye bye, see you soon in our next video lecture.